Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic development of Podanur railway station. Podanur station to be developed as a second terminal over the next 3 years. Southern Railway GM, Southern Railway General Manager R. N. Singh inspecting the Podanur Junction railway station in Coimbatore. Development of Podanur station as a second terminal will be carried out over next 3 years. Southern Railway General Manager R. N. Singh said. A sum of rupees 100 crore has been sanctioned for the purpose. The project at Podanur station envisages start and stoppage of trains as in Coimbatore Junction railway station, Mr. Singh said, after inspecting the work in progress under Amrit Bharat Station Development Scheme at the station, where the work for improving passenger convenience were initiated at a cost of rupees 24 crores in 2023. Mr. Singh took stock of the progress in the work on installation of lifts, relaying of platforms, and other passenger convenience, accompanied by Panna Lal, Division Railway Manager of Salem Division, and N. Gangaraju, Chief Project Manager. Mr. Singh proceeded to Coimbatore North after a stopover at the Coimbatore Junction railway station. At Coimbatore North, the senior officials inspected the work on lifts, waiting rooms, extension of platforms, and other modernization works for passengers, convenience and comfort. The officials will also be inspecting the Mettupalayam, Kunnur, and Ooty railway stations that are also being modernized under the Amrit Bharat Station Development Scheme on Wednesday and Thursday, sources said. Tirupur. Earlier, the officials inspected the Tirupur railway station to take stock of the pace of work under the scheme at a cost of rupees 15 crore. Works on relaying of platforms, construction of retiring rooms, air-conditioned waiting rooms, escalators, lifts, and passenger reservation center are in progress. The officials exuded hope that the works will be completed over the next 6 months.